Hi, today I am going to be talking about UX or user experience in terms of the globally recognized technology company Apple. So I will be focusing on the iPhone 6s to help get a better understanding of this element of e-marketing. So UX is extremely important as it draws in customers and is often the deciding factor in terms of whether the customer is to use a product or service again. Having an engaging site that can be navigated with ease is a key element of creating positive UX. UX involves three key features, so they're reliability, function, and convenience. Additionally, the site should be enjoyable to use, as well as provide an experience in which the user would want to positively share it with others. So, having good UX enables companies to gain a competitive advantage. This can be enhanced by the inclusion of 6 qualities that make up good UX. They are findability, accessibility, desirability, usability, credibility, and usefulness. So, accessibility relates to the degree in which the website is available to users. It also involves findability and how easy the site is to find. So, good UX encourages repeat visitors, which come from a site that is easily accessible. In terms of Apple and the iPhone 6s, a simple Google search is shown with 3 main words leads the user to a direct link to the Apple website, and there's also an information page of the product which is provided. The next one is usability, which refers to how easy the system is to use. It involves menu navigation and links on the page, as well as search boxes and an easily identifiable logo. The logo should always link back to the home page. As you can see, the Apple website is set out in a way where everything that the user may need is right in front of them. You've got the recognizable Apple logo in the top left corner, and this directs the user straight back to the home page, and there's a search bar also available in the top right corner. Another element that adds to positive UX is credibility. So this is simply the looks of the site, as well as the inclusion of contact numbers and address locations. This assures the user that if they need any help with any products, that it will be easy to access this information. So Apple again is fantastic at providing necessary contact information, and as you can see, it's very easy to access what you require in terms of contacting Apple services. The next element is usefulness, and for lack of a better description, it's basically how useful the site is to the user. This always equates to value for the consumer and the value that the customer receives from visiting the site. Well executed UX also involves well structured and planned UX design. So, that is making the site easy to navigate, as said before, and providing a level of simplicity as to not deter potential customers. Once again, Apple is a perfect example of how simplicity and the inclusion of fewer options make navigating and browsing easy. So, the layout of the site is also very up to date and modern, and it provides users with all the latest products and information. For companies, particularly those who operate predominantly online, it's important to provide a positive experience with the user. There also needs to be an understanding of the user's wants and the user's needs, as well as their reasons for visiting your site. Overall, companies that make the most of creating a positive user experience will be able to have a stronger competitive advantage and draw in both existing and future customers. The planning, execution, and of course service